Hi guys, this is Tushi and Kishi of Elegant Arts and Crafts.
In this video, we are going to do a waterfall card. But before going into the video, do subscribe and click the bell icon to get our regular updates. Materials required: color A4 sheets, color sticky notes, glue, scissors and decorative stones. Take a strip of paper and mark the lines with equal intervals. Fold the lines. Let's stick the sticky notes. Cut the edge of the paper with zigzag scissors. Fold the paper and cut the triangles as shown. Glue all the 3 sheets. Follow the same procedure for the other paper also. Let's stick the decorative stones. Let's stick the waterfall card to the base. Take a strip of paper to attach it. Express your feelings through words and gift it to your loved ones. You have made your own waterfall card. Gift it to your friends and family.
Hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment and share. Till then, bye from Tushi and Kishi of Elegant Arts and Crafts.